Welcome to Technify. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best mini drones of 2024. If you're looking for a compact and portable drone for fun and aerial photography, these mini drones offer the perfect blend of size, features, and affordability. We'll explore the standout features, design, and flight capabilities that make each of these mini drones a top choice for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, filming creative videos, or simply enjoying the thrill of flight, you'll find the perfect mini drone for your needs here. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon, and give us a thumbs up so you never miss an update from Technify. Let's get started. Number 5. Fimi X8 Mini V2. The Fimi X8 Mini V2 is a compact and versatile drone that offers an impressive array of features packed into a lightweight and portable design, making it a strong contender in the mini drone market. Weighing just 245 grams, it is easy to carry and falls under many regulatory thresholds, simplifying the process for new drone users. Despite its small size, the X8 Mini V2 is equipped with a powerful 12MP camera capable of recording 4K video at 30 frames per second, ensuring high-quality, detailed footage. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal provides excellent stabilization, delivering smooth and stable videos even in windy conditions. With a maximum flight time of up to 31 minutes, the Fimi X8 Mini V2 allows for extended flight sessions, providing ample time to capture breathtaking aerial shots. Its advanced TDMA transmission system offers a reliable and robust connection with a range of up to 8 kilometers, ensuring seamless real-time video feed and control. The drone also features GPS-assisted flight modes, such as smart tracking, one-tap shots, and precise return to home, enhancing its ease of use and safety. Intelligent flight features like orbit mode, waypoints, and time-lapse make it easy to capture creative and professional quality footage with minimal effort. The Fimi Navi Mini app provides an intuitive and user-friendly interface for controlling the drone, adjusting settings, and editing and sharing videos, enhancing the overall user experience. Number 4. Holy Stone. Holy Stone is a well-regarded brand in the drone market, known for producing reliable, affordable, and user-friendly drones that cater to both beginners and more experienced pilots. Their range of products covers various needs, from simple, easy-to-fly models ideal for those new to drones, to more advanced options with sophisticated features. One of their popular models, the Holy Stone HS720E, exemplifies the brand's commitment to quality and performance. It features a 4K EIS, electronic image stabilization, UHD camera that captures sharp and clear images and videos. The HS720E is equipped with GPS-assisted flight modes such as Follow Me, waypoints, and Return to Home, enhancing flight stability and making it easier to capture complex shots. Another standout model is the Holy Stone HS110D, which is perfect for beginners. It comes with a 1080p HD camera, headless mode, altitude hold, and one-key takeoff/landing, making it extremely user-friendly. Number 3. DJI Mini4 Pro. The DJI Mini4 Pro is a cutting-edge drone that offers a remarkable blend of advanced technology, portability, and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for both novice and experienced drone enthusiasts. This compact drone weighs under 250 grams, keeping it lightweight and portable while also avoiding many of the regulatory complexities associated with heavier drones. Despite its small size, the Mini4 Pro boasts impressive capabilities, including a 4K camera that captures stunningly detailed video at 60 frames per second and 48MP still photos. The advanced imaging system, combined with a 3-axis gimbal, ensures incredibly smooth and stable footage, even in challenging flying conditions. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini4 Pro is its robust flight performance. With a maximum flight time of up to 34 minutes, users have plenty of time to explore and capture their surroundings. The drone's OcuSync 3.0 transmission system offers a reliable and clear real-time video feed at distances up to 10 kilometers, providing peace of mind during long-distance flights. Additionally, the Mini4 Pro is equipped with advanced obstacle detection and avoidance technology, making it safer to fly in complex environments. Number 2. DJI D70 Mini Drone. The DJI D70 Mini drone is a compact and user-friendly drone designed for beginners and casual flyers who want to experience the joy of aerial photography and flying. This mini drone is equipped with a 1080p HD camera that captures clear and vibrant photos and videos, making it a great choice for capturing memorable moments from a unique perspective. The camera's adjustable angle allows users to find the perfect shot, while the real-time transmission provides a smooth video feed directly to your smartphone. One of the standout features of the DJI D70 is its ease of use. The drone offers a range of beginner-friendly features such as altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff/landing, which make it incredibly easy to control and maneuver, even for first-time pilots. Number 1. DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 is a compact and lightweight drone that offers impressive features and capabilities, making it an excellent choice for beginners and casual drone enthusiasts. Weighing just 249 grams, it is highly portable and easy to carry, fitting easily into a small bag or even a pocket. This lightweight design also means it falls under many regulatory thresholds, simplifying the legal requirements for flying in various regions. Despite its small size, the DJI Mini 2 is equipped with a powerful 12MP camera capable of capturing stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second, delivering crisp and clear footage. The camera's 3-axis motorized gimbal provides excellent stabilization, ensuring smooth and steady shots even in windy conditions. The Mini 2 also supports 4x digital zoom, allowing users to capture details from a distance without compromising on quality. The drone boasts an impressive flight time of up to 31 minutes, providing ample opportunity to explore and capture extensive footage. And that concludes today's exploration of tech wonders here on Technify. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. You won't want to miss our daily dives into the latest and greatest in technology. Also, let us know your favorite tech marvel in the comments. So stay tuned for more top-tier tech reviews.